Experience the confidence that comes with the best Braun all-in-one men shaving kit remover. This all-in-one solution brings ease and precision to daily grooming, helping you feel polished and in control. Many men desire a tool that makes shaving effortless and comfortable, turning routine care into a calm and empowering experience. Each use creates a sense of refinement and readiness, leaving skin smooth and refreshed while boosting self-confidence naturally, making every day feel sharper and more assured. Number 1. Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit. The Braun All-in-One Men Shaving Kit Series 774440 12-in-1 Beard, Face, Nose, Ear Trimmer, Hair Clippers, Body Groomer and Manscaping plus Travel Case plus Charging Stand. Holiday gifts for men brings a sense of confidence and control to personal grooming. Many men desire a tool that feels reliable, precise, and effortless. And this all-in-one kit delivers a smooth, calming experience that turns daily routines into empowering moments. Its versatile design allows care for the beard, face, nose, ears, body, and other areas, creating a polished and refined look that enhances self-assurance. The included travel case and charging stand give convenience and readiness, making it easy to maintain grooming wherever life takes you. Using it regularly fosters a feeling of personal care and attention, helping men feel refreshed, confident, and prepared. The Braun All-in-One Men Shaving Kit Series 774440 12-in-1 Beard, Face, Nose, Ear Trimmer, Hair Clippers, Body Groomer and Manscaping plus Travel Case plus Charging Stand. Holiday gifts for men transforms grooming into a seamless, uplifting ritual that leaves skin and hair looking sharp, well cared for, and full of confidence. Number 2. Remington F5 Power Series Foil Shaver. The Remington F5 Power Series Foil Shaver Electric Razor for Men, cordless, rechargeable with pop-up trimmer, pivot and flex foil technology, lightweight handheld design. Black brings a sense of ease and confidence to daily grooming. Many men seek a solution that feels smooth, reliable, and effortless, and this electric razor creates a calming and precise experience with every use. Its lightweight handheld design allows control and comfort, turning shaving into a soothing, focused ritual rather than a rushed task. The pop-up trimmer adds versatility, helping maintain a polished and refined appearance that boosts self-assurance naturally. Its cordless and rechargeable design ensures freedom and readiness, making grooming convenient anywhere, whether at home or on the go. The pivot and flex foil technology enhance the feeling of precision and care, allowing the razor to move with natural contours and deliver a clean, smooth result. The Remington F5 Power Series Foil Shaver Electric Razor for Men, cordless, rechargeable with pop-up trimmer, pivot and flex foil technology, lightweight handheld design. Black transforms everyday shaving into a confident, refreshing experience, leaving skin smooth, cared for, and effortlessly sharp. Number 3. 7-inch-1 Electric Razor for Men Shaver. The Man Code 7-in-1 Electric Razor for Men Shaver with floating 8 contouring technology and IQ cleaning sensor brings a sense of confidence and ease to daily grooming. Many men desire a tool that feels precise, reliable, and effortless, and this shaver delivers a smooth, calming experience with every use. Its floating contoured design moves naturally with the face, allowing the skin to feel cared for while creating a polished and refined look. The intelligent cleaning sensor provides reassurance and convenience, giving confidence that the shaver is ready and hygienic for every session. Using it regularly transforms daily routines into quiet moments of self-care, turning grooming into a soothing ritual rather than a rushed chore. The sleek, ergonomic design adds comfort and control, helping men feel more prepared and sharp throughout the day. The Man Code 7-in-1 Electric Razor for Men Shaver with floating 8 contouring technology and IQ cleaning sensor elevates personal grooming into a refreshing, uplifting experience that leaves the skin smooth, healthy, and full of confidence. Number 4. Bevel Electric Shaver for Men's Foil Shavers for Face. The Bevel Electric Shaver for Men's Foil Shavers for Face. Wet and dry shave, waterproof, fast charging, cordless, rechargeable. Black brings a sense of confidence and control to daily grooming. Many men seek a tool that feels smooth, reliable, and effortless, and this electric shaver provides a calming and precise experience with every use. Its design glides naturally across the skin, allowing the face to feel cared for while creating a polished and refined appearance. The waterproof construction adds freedom and convenience, making every shave feel worry-free and comfortable whether at home or on the go. Fast charging and cordless operation enhance ease, ensuring the shaver is ready whenever needed. Using it regularly transforms grooming into a quiet ritual of personal care, leaving skin refreshed and smooth. The Bevel electric shaver for men. Men's foil shavers for face wet and dry shave. Waterproof, fast charging, cordless, rechargeable. Black elevates shaving into a comforting, confidence boosting experience, helping men feel sharp, prepared, and cared for every day. Number 5. Braun electric shaver for men. The Braun electric shaver for men series 77177cc wet and dry shave, turbo and gentle shaving modes. Waterproof foil shaver. Space gray holiday gifts for men brings a sense of confidence and ease to everyday grooming. Many men seek a tool that feels smooth, precise, and reliable, and this shaver creates a calming and controlled experience with every use. Its design glides naturally across the face, allowing skin to feel cared for while achieving a refined, polished look that enhances self-assurance. The combination of turbo and gentle modes gives a feeling of control and comfort, making each shave feel tailored and soothing. Waterproof construction adds freedom and convenience, allowing use anywhere with confidence. Using it regularly transforms shaving into a quiet, personal ritual that refreshes both skin and mood. The Braun electric shaver for men series 77177cc wet and dry shave, turbo and gentle shaving modes. Waterproof foil shaver. Space gray holiday gifts for men elevates grooming into an effortless, uplifting experience, leaving skin smooth, well cared for, and ready for every day.